In this video, we're going to show you how to increase a stitch. So this is the technique that you'll use if you need to increase the number of stitches on your needle. We're going to start just by knitting the first stitch as normal. So this is just a regular knit stitch. Once we get to the next stitch on our needle, this is the one that we're going to create an extra stitch out of. So you'll start in the same way you would if you were knitting a normal stitch. Your right needle will go in through the back of that stitch. You wrap your yarn around and pull your needle through. But instead of sliding that stitch off your left needle and onto your right, you're actually going to hold it there. And we're going to re-knit this stitch as if it were its own stitch. So using your right needle, you'll go in through the back of that stitch, wrap your yarn around the right needle, and then slide it under and catch the new stitch. And you can see there that we've created 2 stitches out of what was just 1. Let's do that again. So we'll knit a stitch as normal. And then we're going to create 2 stitches out of this 1 stitch. So your right needle will go in through that first stitch on your left needle, as if you were knitting it as normal. You wrap the tail of your yarn around your right needle. You drag that right needle down and through to catch your stitch, but instead of then sliding the stitch off your left needle, you're going to hold it there. Pull your right needle out and away from the work a little bit so that you can get back into and re-knit that stitch that's still on your left needle. So you'll take your right needle and you'll go into the back of that stitch that's on your left, slide it up and through the back, wrap your yarn around that right needle, and then slide your needle down and catch the new stitch. Then you slip it off your left needle and you've created an extra stitch there. One more time. We'll knit the first stitch as normal and we're going to increase the next one. So right needle goes into that first stitch on your left needle. Wrap your yarn around your right needle as you would for a normal knit stitch, pull it through, but then instead of sliding that stitch off your left needle, you'll use your right needle to sort of pull your work open, and then your right needle is going to knit that stitch one more time. So it'll go in through the back of that stitch, wrap your yarn around your right needle, slip it down, catch that new stitch, and then slide it off your left.